day everyone. So today I'm going to show you a demo which I created, and this demo is made publicly available to the Azure DevOps project. And basically you can set up this whole infrastructure and this whole solution within 1 hour because everything is automated with Terraform and ARM templates. All the source codes for the applications are available in the repository, and basically what we will do is we will emulate a cache register. This cache register will persist its transactions into an event hub. Then it will be with stream analysis put into a topic on the service bus topic, and then we have an application which is a microservice which is deployed on an AKS cluster, and this microservice uses Camel. And within Camel we have a listener to this topic, and this topic is basically when a message arrives, we have event-driven behavior, we want to send a push notification to the Android application. And what we will use is the API for service bus, and as an input point and as an output point we will use the Firebase API from Google. So let's pause here. See what happens. We're going to start the cache register and we're going to create some transactions. So when you checked everything out, you go to the folder where the cache register is. You need to configure some properties to make it connect to the event hub, of course. In the wiki documentation I will tell you how to do that. I'm starting now the cache register. So here I'm scanning my loyalty points card. I'm customer number 1 and I'm buying 3 apples, 2 bananas and a bunch of Coca-Cola for the amount of 102 euros. You see a message has been sent here. Let's go to the AKS cluster now and see if the message has arrived. Loss minus F. We see that a message has arrived because somebody shopped for 102 euros. So I want to do it again. I'm now customer number 2. I'm going just to buy bananas for 60 euros. And a message should appear here for 60 euros. So now we want to see it as a push notification in my Android app. For this I have used Screencast, and with Screencast I can actually see what's happening on my phone. Also the source code for this is available. Let's refresh the screen here. Let's go. Come on. So here we see the screen. Let's go here. You see I have all kinds of games on my phone. Let's go back because I had an issue with my phone just a minute ago. It's an Android, so 33333. This guy is only buying Coca-Cola. We see Coca-Cola coming in for 55 euros. So I'm expecting now a push notification, and I see here I have a message for 55 euros. Let's do it again. Last time. Going to buy 3, customer 3, Coca-Cola, 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 and a lot of other stuff. I'm expecting a message here. Let's go here. Here I see I shop for 141 euros and 1.41 points have been added. So guys, I hope you liked it. Like I said, all the documentation on how to do it will be put here. But if you need any help, contact me. And yeah, like this is still a work in progress. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and watch again. So that was it. Hope you have a nice day.